Today we're going to make Szechuan chicken stir fry, which is great for anyone with heart disease or looking to prevent it. So you're going to start by cutting up your garlic and your chicken. And that's pretty much the only prep work you have to do. Then you're going to go ahead and put it in a medium skillet sprayed with cooking spray. Toss in your garlic and your chicken. Then you're going to go ahead and take some red pepper flakes and sprinkle some in, depending on your heat tolerance. Then you're going to go ahead and get some ground ginger, and you're going to put some in. As you can tell, mine wasn't coming out very easily. After that, you're going to take some low sodium soy sauce and add that in. And that's pretty much the hardest part there, is cutting them up and then putting it all in a pan. So then you're gonna go ahead and cook the chicken over medium-high heat for 5 minutes or until the chicken's no longer pink. So once your chicken's done and no longer pink, you're gonna add some Asian vegetables or stir-fry vegetables into the skillet. And you're gonna reduce the heat to medium and cover it and cook it for 20 minutes or until the vegetables are heated up. And then you're done. You can put this over brown rice and top it with peanuts if you want. I didn't have brown rice, but this is a great high fiber, low saturated fat meal.